Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a minute, but life happened, and so we're back like we never left. Thank you for always staying tuned in to watch my vlogs every single time, for your support, and for always interested in my content. I really appreciate you guys so much. Today is one of my best moments in life. I got booked a helicopter ride around all of Nairobi city.
But I rock it like a baby in a car. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it.
This is amazing. Look at the views. Everything below looks so tiny. The feeling of being so high feels so much unreal.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies shine. If you not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
And just like that, we are coming in for landing. Honestly, I don't want this to end, but this experience has been one for the books. I'm so grateful, and what an amazing way to kick off my birthday. Yay, guys! And if you've ever thought of flying in a helicopter, I would highly recommend it, because this is a whole new way to see the world.
I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in.
Okay, after an unforgettable helicopter ride, we are not slowing down tonight. It's time to switch gears and hit the club. The birthday vibes are still going strong. It's time for the best part, cake. How can we have a birthday without cutting a cake? There's nothing great like sharing cake with your best people. Birthdays are about making memories, and this is definitely one for the books. Capricorn baby.
This is the remix.
Music up, all the girls let me dance for one thing, some more. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? It goes 1 by 1, even 2 by 2. Everybody in the floor, let me show you how we do. Let's go. Dip it low, then you bring it up slow. Run it up one time, run it back once more. Come, run, 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 run. Everybody move, run. Let me see you move, and rock it to the groove. Done, shake it to the move. If you ready to move, say it, yeah. One time for your mind, say it, yeah, yeah. Well, I'm ready for you. Come, let me show you. You want to groove, I'ma show you how to move. Come.
What I didn't fit it, but I rock it like a baby in a car. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said.
That's it for tonight's shenanigans. If you really enjoyed this vlog, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.
Ooh.
you guys do your toast.
But Sujuni on the left, I'm on the right.
Hi, darling. Unakaa cute.
Like a glance from the past, dark in the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you're the prince and I'm the pop. Fairy tales, I'm not used to that. Oh, got me questioning what you've done. You used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. No, I want to be around.
Welcome to Ayra Starr.
Here in the chopper, and this tea, and the
Maybe also wants to be there. You record video.
Yeah. Thank you.
You no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Could deny my fantasy. What they check if my cat be no wrong. But it they rush well, it be much. Now go they make my time be the rush. The kind money we touch, yeah. It they rush well, it be much. We be hype, everybody be close. It's no darling with you fool me jackpata, I dey go Ghana. You never thought you dey from Papa. Which kind money we never see before. Cause hello me, got me feeling I'm the one. I dey. I never take my cake away. I dey. You can't count my grace. I just dey my lane. You no get the time, but the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady game like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Could deny my fantasy. They want to check if my daddy. My daddy be lost. The kind money we touch, yeah.
I can't breathe. Your love is choking me up. Those watching at home, thank you so much. All my sappy boys and my sappy girls. I don't play with my upsets. I don't play.
Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? It goes 1 by 1, even 2 by 2. Everybody in the floor, let me show you how we do. Let's go. Dip it low, then you bring it up slow. Wind it up 1 time, wind it back once more. Come run, 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 run. Everybody move, run. Let me see you move, and rock it to the groove. Done, shake it to the mood because the sun. Everybody in the club, and me a run. If you ready to move, say it, yeah. 1 time for your mind, say it, yeah, yeah. Well, I'm ready for you, let me show you. You want to groove, I'ma show you how to move. Come
I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in.
I know, Sana.
I don't want to cry.
I know.
I've been hiding my talent. It's time to show.
It's time to show. Babe, but oh my god, you've done it so well. Looks by my diva, guys. Know your logo. That's her logo right there. And you see there, she's a pretty babe. Napoka na mrembo.
Hi guys. I left my hand this time. I'm gonna get it later.
Big, I have done. Yeah.
What's up, doctor?
Babe, unataka nikae hivi kai. But maybe sijui babe. You know my sheets are white. Maybe nisilala. Kai yake babe imetokea poa. Oh my god. It even looks better in person. Guys, hii camera by the way inifanyie justice.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind.
But I rock it like a baby in a car. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with
have a bar and lounge called Peacock on the second floor. Then we have a rooftop bar on the seventh floor.
Rooftop bar. Okay. Which one do we go?
The one with a nice view.
I think you can try 7.
The second floor.
7 points of oil.
Okay.
Because they do serve both drinks and
Food.
yeah.
So we'll do that. Thank you. Oh my god, guys, it looks so good. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So that's my name, of course. Today we came to the newest restaurant in town. It's called
You have to punish me. I haven't been taking anything. I swear to God.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, my body, my body says, my mind, and my heart, my body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy.
Thank you.
You will tell me. My God, ni ngumu.
That's a wrap for today's vlog. Look at the ambience, it was really amazing. I enjoyed having dinner at this scenery. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Oh my god, hi guys. Oh my god, it's so sunny today. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm a bit tired. I've not had some sleep last night because I was outside, but yeah, I'm so super excited. Today I came to shoot with Artfit. It's a brand that I really wanted to work with for a really long time. They finally gave me the chance. I'm so super happy. I can't wait to dress in their attires and see what they have to offer. So guys, I'd like you to join me on my whole YouTube vlog. May you be able to stay here till the end of the video, and yeah, I'm about to show you some amazing content. We are shooting around Riverside Drive. It's a really nice project. Yeah, they told me like I have to do a descriptive videos, so yeah, nataka tu maneno ikuje ikuwe ina flow. I'm so super hot. Let me show you the outside view. Kunakaa poa by the way sana. So this is the center of Nairobi. It's called Riverside Drive. Oh, they have a nice pool. Bye guys, I'll see you till the end of the video. This is my outfit number 1.
About the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. Oh, I need you.
Hizo heels ni rembo. Sini kutoke. Mr. Director, say hi. Hajazoea hizo. Kuna reason.
If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like Pope. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Could deny my fantasy. What they check if my God be no wrong. But it they rush well, well, it be much. Now go they make my time be the rush. Kind money we touch, yeah. It they rush well, well, it be much. We be hype, everybody be close. Slow down, it be You fool me jackpata, I dey go Ghana. You never thought you dey from Papa. Which kind money we never see before. Osello me got me feeling I'm the one a day. You never take my cake away a day. You can't count my grace. I just day my lane. Me no get the time but the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady game like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Good enough my fantasy. You want to check if my daddy. My money we touch, yeah.
Cycle. Call my home, girl, tell your best friend. Besides you, on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick it with a tight. Cause they won't tell, cause they're trying to live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Put me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah. Almost missing my flight today.
Thank you guys for staying till the end of the video. That's a wrap. I appreciate your support. Please do give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to be able to get more content. Bye guys.
Blue tonight, I'm chilling on the west side. Call my home, girl, tell your best friend. Besides you, on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through.